I would say, you know, you should try those products, and I think it will make definitely a difference for you. You should definitely try those products. It would definitely make a difference. And yeah, I think we're refilming this. If you're like me, you're definitely sick of KP and you're wondering how you can treat it for good. Disclaimer, these are products that I use and it may not work for you, but they work for me, so they might work for you. I've been using like a simple 4-step formula in order to get rid of it, and it's really helped reduce the texture and appearance of bumps on my skin. It's literally so annoying because if you've done your research, you know keratosis pilaris is like the buildup of keratin on your skin. It's harmless, and it like pick and chooses who gets it, because like I didn't do anything for it, my skin just has it, and it's more likely to appear like on your elbows, like the back of your thigh. You have it, you know you have it, and you've been trying to get rid of it. It's definitely different from strawberry skin. That's a whole different area, but these are the 4 steps that I do every single day in order to get rid of it. I know some products say to use once or twice a week, but we don't listen to that, because if you know, like you have to moisturize every single day in order for it to not feel like it's there, and it's just the most annoying thing in the world. So first, I'll use a cleanser. I've been seeing this one recommended a lot. I change cleansers all the time. Before I was using Dr. Bronner's, then I was using Naturim's body wash, and then I stayed with the same brand and I'm using the Glow Getter multi-oil body wash. I've seen great reviews on it. I don't know if I've seen like a huge difference with the specific cleanser that I'm using. So you can use any cleanser you want. Right now I'm using Lumi, I think, trying it out. After that though, I say this is definitely like the most important step, which is exfoliating. And you're not gonna just exfoliate with any sugar tree scrub. You might as well just go in the kitchen and take coffee beans and sugar if you're gonna use that, and put some vitamin E oil in it instead of going out to buy it. Even though I buy it too, but I use it for different exfoliating reasons. We're specifically talking about KP. So I use this First Aid Beauty KP eraser. It has 10% AHA. The only thing I would say is for this one, just don't make sure you're just like putting it on your skin. Make sure you're actually rubbing it into your skin. Spend a little bit of time exfoliating. On the back, it says to only use once or twice a week. I don't listen. I use it every day. You could get this from like Amazon or just the company site, or even Target. All of these things I've seen in those 3 places. So after that, the last step is basically making sure you moisturize with the right products. My main lotion that I'll put all over my body, I don't feel like it matters as long as you find the best moisturizing product for you. So right now I'm using the Naturim Body Lipid Restoring Body Lotion, but the body lotion doesn't matter. It's just like an extra layer of protection that I feel like you should use. But this one specifically helps because it has salicylic acid. It's 2% BHA. Make sure you let it like, rest on your skin, if that makes sense. Like make sure it dries into your skin before like you're getting ready. So you shouldn't use it if you're like in a rush, because you put on your clothes immediately. Like for me, it just comes off. So make sure you rub it into your skin, like spend time just like you were with the exfoliating. And then this last step is optional. I don't do it at the same time that I do the other products, like because I don't exfoliate twice a day and I don't use the weightless body treatment twice a day. That entire routine, I'll do it like in the mornings. But at night, I'll definitely put Aquaphor, and then when I wake up, like my skin is 100% smooth, and I've definitely seen a difference in the way my skin looks. Maybe not how it feels all the time, so I wouldn't say this is a cure, but it's definitely like a step in the right direction if you want to manage your KP. I'm definitely going to keep experimenting and finding things, but the 2 things that I will not change is exfoliating and using the salicylic acid. I feel like those 2 are definitely like a game changer. Everything else, I feel like you could try with a bunch of different products and see what works best for you.